Hey you guys, my name is Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review and kind of how do I style this hair that was sent to me by Yeswigs. All of the information will be in the description box below, so check that out at the end of the video. This is 18 inches all around in a closure, and stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hey you guys, so these are the braids I usually do for on my wigs. Protect my hair, just oil my scalp a little bit and just spray a little leave-in conditioner. But this is what the hair came in. This little FedEx package, nothing special. The hair is from Yeswigs. They contacted me and wanted to do a little collab and wanted me to review their hair. So they came with lashes. These really aren't my style of lashes, so I probably would just give them to my sister or something like that. They came 18 inches, all 18 inches, 3 bundles and a closure. And the texture is kinky curly. I had my wig made by Sydney Blue. I'll leave her information in the description box below. You guys go holla at her. She makes beautiful wigs. And she has made my first 2 wigs that I've actually gotten. This is what the hair texture looks like when we first get it. Looks like this. This is how it comes. But when you wet it a little bit, and this is the wig that she made so beautifully, this is what it looks like. This is what the curl pattern looks like. So beautiful. And honestly, I can see myself wetting it every time I style it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. This is a closure, so you wouldn't have to use like the, what's it called? The stocking cap method. Yes, where you just put the little tan stocking cap, you cut it, lay it down. Yeah, we're not doing all that. I don't wear wigs for that long anyway. Still got this on, so I'll be able to personalize it to my scalp. She bleached the knots for me, thank God, because Lord knows I would mess that all up. So this is what the frontal closure looks like. It's so beautiful and natural. So let me go ahead and put this on. I might have to get a little clamp back here or something to hold this bad boy on. And this, I'm just trying it on for the first time. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. I like this. Now we just need to see how this bad boy wears, how it lasts. Okay, y'all, so I need to get close to a mirror, so I might just set y'all somewhere, or I'm gonna just come back when I have this all situated and cut up. But yeah, just be right back. For the purpose of this video, I am not gonna glue it down. I'm gonna possibly try to see if I can do like a glueless method type experiment. But okay, so I'm looking over here to the mirror. I can't see all the way. Cut that down the middle. Come on, scissors, don't cut it down. Alright, got that out. I might put this shit up. And just, I've seen people do the zigzag method, so I'm gonna just cut off my damn edges. Okay. I might have to cut some more, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Golly, did that take a minute. I don't know how I want to style it. Like, do I want to keep it the middle part or what? Middle, edges. Or what? I don't know. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling my let me wet it so I can show you guys how it looks when it's wet. Let me grab my spray bottle and my mousse after. Okay, guys, got my paddle brush and my water. I'm gonna see how she looks wet. This might be my birthday hair. Y'all just don't know. Beautiful. And I like how I got all the same length. 18 inches all around. Keep it curly, y'all. If y'all go check out my description box and go check out this beautiful lovely hair, y'all are tripping. Tripping hard. And it's dense too. She's a dense one. When they had contacted me, I was like, me? You talking to me? You emailed me? Did you email the wrong person or something? But hold up, sis. I could be doing this. This could be a thing. Okay? Oh. Okay. I'm feeling real nice. Real nice. And I didn't even have to glue her down. Let's see, I want to go full wet look. It hurts a little bit more. Shucks, wet my mirror. She's nice. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wear her for a little bit. See how she wears, see how she tangles or anything. She's doing, this hair is doing good now, but I haven't worn her out that much. So I'll just do a checkup video to let you guys know if you guys should spend your coins or not. But now, what I have now, spend your coins, sis. Go get this hair, sis. Yes, but I'm gonna touch her up a little bit, and I will show you guys the final look. See you later. Okay, you guys, I am back. She is styled and ready. So what I've recently noticed while I was styling her is she kind of sheds. Okay, she's starting to shed a little bit. I don't know if that's just first day type of shedding. New hair needs to get it out, but I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna let you guys know on the next video. But this is the final look. I love this frontal. I meant closure. Why do I keep saying closure? I mean, whatever. Closure. Love this closure, you guys. Beautiful. But yeah, that is it for this video. please, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your girl channel. This is something new. Let me know if you guys like to see more videos like this, reviews, stuff like that. I'll make sure I'll get these out for you guys. Hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I post. But yeah, this is it. See you guys later.